only 60% crimes are happening in the joint family and only 40% crimes are happening in the nuclear family.
The family quantity does not matter, quality matter.
बच्चा रोता है तो ज्वाइंट फैमिली में उसे चुप कराने के लिए हर एक बंदा आके खड़ा हो जाता है, बट इन न्यूक्लियर फैमिली देयर विल बी ओनली 2 पर्सन्स. कौन बंदा आके खड़ा होता है?
In a joint family, there is a lots of members. Grandmother, grandfather, uncle, auntie, they all are interrupted. I said that.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Rashid, for giving me this golden opportunity to debate on the topic joint family and the nuclear family. I truly support joint family because joint family has unity, and unity is our greatest strength. As a and joint family preserves its culture and its deep rooted learning, and we united we stand and divided we fall. So we work on that basis. I think the unity in the joint family is very important because they gives emotional connect and emotional depth, and in the nuclear family it lacks some kind of unity. That's why they are going nuclear, and I truly support joint family.
Saying that there is a unity in joint family. You are saying that there is no unity in nuclear family. How can you say that? Tell me.
So I am saying that the joint family is living together. There is a unity.
They live together. There is always conflict between joint family. There is no peaceful environment in joint family. How can you say that unity is being supported in joint family?
So the peaceful environment and the toxic environment can be either in the nuclear family as well.
No, the lots of examples are in joint family. There is a lots of conflict between joint family. How can you say that there is conflict between nuclear family?
So, the nuclear family is nuclear and they live separately, but the joint family is rooted with the culture and the traditions.
You are saying that.
And the joint family, the people celebrate together. They are at the festival. They are at the main financial disturbances. They are at your economic and mental disturb. They can support you in multiple ways.
They can't support you, sir. You are saying that joint family support you. They are always jealous of their success. They always provoke. There is always conflict between a joint family.
I disregard this statement because the support the joint family can support you in multiple ways.
How can you say that joint family support in every? They are always being jealous of each other's success. How can you say that joint family support each other?
You are because you can be inspired by your elder cousins, and they could lead you a better career path. They give their thoughts and opinion, and creates multiple opportunity and multiple exposure there.
In nuclear family, there is also support. There is a father-mother support, and you are saying that in joint family they support each other. They always been discrimination between girls and boys.
Yeah, there is grandfather and grandmother blessing is also blessing. Grandfather and grandmother's blessing is also
fight in each other. How can you say that they support each other? They always fight. How can you say that?
The grandfather and grandmother blessing is the greatest support.
Grandmother is always being discrimination in a girls and a boys. You
are talking about the rural backend story.
So it is like that.
Yeah. You are talking about the rural discrimination all.
No, it is like that.
Yeah.
Why I am saying because it is like that, na? There is always
So
discrimination.
you're in the nuclear family as well. If a mother and father has a daughter and a brother,
In
so
many
they
cases,
will
there is no
discriminate each other.
discrimination
So
between
they will
mother and
discriminate
father.
each other.
How can you say that, sir?
So you are saying that our grandfathers will discriminate
They
discriminating
discriminate.
the child and a boy and a girl. So your nuclear family should also have the boy.
Their
You can have a
mentality,
boy and a girl. So they discriminate.
Listen to me. There
Yeah.
is the mentality of old generation. मतलब men and मतलब like grandmother and grandfather has.
They are behind the time.
They behind the time they have not better mentality in being for boys and girls. They are not same for
So
boys and girls.
the mental.
There is
So
always
because of
discrimination.
small men. Yeah.
The old, like the grandfather and grandmother, they have the like orthodox type thoughts.
Okay. So I am not completely agree with the orthodox thought because the older generations also have a clear mentality and they can support you in multiple
They
ways.
can't
They have
support-
lot of
they always
experience.
support
They have lot of
boys.
experience of the back end. See,
Boys, they can't support girls.
50, 60 years of experience they have. So they can put in all the experience and drive you to a
What is
better
the
path.
meaning of experience, there, sir?
No use of experience.
There is useless. Their
Then
mentality
drop-
is so bad. That-
Drop Virat Kohli. There is no use. What are you talking about?
Why are you smiling?
No personal question, please. No personal question, please.
There is experience of 50 and 60. They always discriminate between girls and boys. Which type
I
of
have
experience
answered
they
your
have?
discrimination point. I have answered your
What
discrimination.
answer?
I have answered your discrimination
What?
point of
Which
view.
answer?
You have talked about a boy and a girl. I have answered that point. Yeah. Tell me the
Which
new
answer?
point. What's your question?
They what is the meaning of experience which they
Meaning
always discriminate between girls and boys. What is the meaning of their experience?
What is
मतलब
the benefit of experience if they are discriminating?
Yeah. The girl. What girl and a boy discrimination are you talking about?
Rudransh, you were telling that in this generation there is no discrimination between the girl and the boy. So I would like to tell you that 1 month ago there's a case in which 258 girls from Bihar, they have been the grandmother forced the daughter-in-law to kill them, abortion, for the abortion, because they have known that there is a girl in the child. And you are saying that there is no discrimination happening in nowadays. How can I say
So I can tell you one case also in which the father is forcing her wife to for the abortion. Yeah. So because he want a child, because he want a male child who can put his wealth upon. Yeah.
most of the cases, most of the abortion case, listen to me,
Yeah.
sir, you have talked. Most of the abortion cases in which the grandmother, they force the daughter-in-law to do abortion because they don't want. They have the document already.
Why only grandmother says? Yeah, you have why?
Because
You
their
have
mentality is like that, now.
you have read the case, na?
What?
You have read the case, na?
Sorry.
You have read the case, na? You have read the case deeply. So tell me why only the grandmother is forcing and all.
Because of her mentality that they discriminate. They think.
Same point, sir.
Listen to me.
Same point, sir.
Sir, he was telling that I don't believe that the discrimination happens in nowadays. I'm telling that there is a case, and every day, everywhere, the cases are coming that
So-
the feticide is happening, the abortion is happening. So you are saying that there is no discrimination happening? How can I say that?
So the discrimination point of view is handled by the police. We have to respect our governments and
It is happening in more joint family. That's why we are going to the next nuclear family.
no, I truly disagree.
You are disagreeing only the valid points. What do you agree?
Because the abortion cases can also happen
But it is happening more in the joint families.
but abortion is a personal decision.
How is possible, guys?
Yeah.
You have been more in nuclear family. Only 30% nuclear family are like joint family people are like.
What?
Only 60%.
Yeah, 67% are.
Only 30% people are like in joint family. How is possible?
So why
Sir, no. Sir, listen to me. No.
Wrong data.
Okay.
You
Now
tell me
listen.
the source. You tell me the source.
People are living in nuclear family.
Then to the 60% crimes are happening in the joint family and only 40% crimes are happening in the nuclear family. Then if like nuclear family is 60%,
I'm telling you,
then two.
the family quantity does not matter, quality matters. So I am not saying the family structure matter, the family bonds matter. The structures of the family would not tell you about the basics and would not be forced you to abort. That's the family bond.
Sir, listen to me.
Yeah.
The bonds are getting worse and worse. That's why people are separating and they're getting into the nuclear family. If the bonds are that much better, then why they separate into the nuclear family?
So you will not say the point of better education and better infrastructure
I'm not-
and better facilities.
I-
No, yeah, you are telling that they are better.
Why
So
are you changing a point firstly? Why are you changing a point?
I am answering your question. You are saying that they are
Sir, you are
disputes, so they are moving away.
No.
And I have answered that point
Sir.
of bond.
Sir,
And then
for one thing, there could be several reasons
Yeah.
for supporting to it.
Yeah.
So, education and the privacy. There are several and many
Okay,
different
okay,
reasons.
okay.
And also the discrimination and
discrimination I have answered. Yeah.
no. I have raised the question
yeah.
on the
Yeah.
view of discrimination only.
Yeah.
So discrimination is also in the reason to get into the nuclear family. That's it.
You have any other question?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Rashish sir, for giving me this opportunity. Today's debate topic is nuclear family versus joint family. I truly support in nuclear family because nuclear family parents can focus their children individually. They can they can focus their children, their mental health, what the activities they are doing, what the happenings or the mental health they are suffering from. In joint family, parents cannot take care individually to their child or anything. That's why I support nuclear family.
Very nice. Question.
Firstly, I want to ask that you said that in nuclear family, parents totally focused on their children. But if parents will be working, then how will they focus on their children?
They always working 24 hours, not na. They come home and they can.
Ma'am, after working, they will be tired. They are also human. They are not machine.
They are there. They are not machine, but they are. He's. They are not machine, but their child at home, at working place, they always in their mind they are surrounding that what my child is doing, what happening with her. They give a quality time with him or their children.
Ma'am, where are you? Today's generation, parents are too busy in their life. They always
So you that say that
Listen,
joint
they
family.
always try to send their children in boarding school in they hire caretaker for their children, and you are saying they give their time.
Joint family treat your child very well.
They are provoking you.
Okay.
They are trying to provoke you.
You said that nuclear family parents did not give attention to their child. Okay, in joint family, most of which in-laws or grandfather or cousin support or treat.
There will be lots of persons for take care their child. Listen, I wanna say just one line that like जब बच्चा रोता है तो joint family में उसे चुप कराने के लिए हर एक बंदा आके खड़ा हो जाता है. But in nuclear family there will be only two persons.
कौन बंदा आगे खड़ा होता है? Who stands?
Ma'am, grandparents.
Oh, grandparents.
They are
What they
the-
treat, they provoke their children for their parents.
What?
Grandparents provoke for their cousins also, siblings
Oh my
also.
God. Ma'am, it is not like that. In your joint family, they try to learn their children how to live with each other.
Oh. Ma'am,
Listen, you don't know the value of joint family. That's why you are saying.
okay, you know the value of joint family.
Definitely,
You
I
are
know.
saying that good parenting in a joint family. Okay, good parenting in treat by parents or the good parenting, not a number of people or a family in the people is
Ma'am, yeah, I agree with your point, but sorry, parenting also depend on atmosphere. If person will be working, so how will give you a treat?
What types of atmosphere? Conflict? Fighting with each other?
In nuclear family conflict does not happen. In nuclear family conflict that doesn't happen.
Most
Always happens with husband and wife because of small things. And listen, in joint family, every person try to support, try to ignore.
they provoke each other. In joint family they provoke. अगर एक साइड से आएगी बोलेगी तुम लड़ लो, तुम एक साइड.
No, ma'am, it is.
I can.
Listen,
You don't interrupt, okay? In joint family, there no supporting that not fight with each other. They only provoke. Grandmother also provoke their sons to fight with wife, or wife also fight with that her husband give her husband more buy things more than you.
May I say something?
Yes, you can.
Okay. You saying that in joint family they are provoking. It is not like that. Your never is provoking for conflict. But in joint family they always try to support, try to solve your problem.
That's why lots of time joint family having conflict between them, and that that's why in joint family lots of conflict or fighting creating between them
Which type of conflict you are saying? Tell me.
for financial condition. If
Oh
one-
my God!
एक-
Listen, only bus.
My-
It's enough. It's
my-
enough.
my word
It's
not-
enough.
my-
Listen now. Financial condition. If you are alone in nuclear family, you are earning alone, and you have any problem. So how will you face that problem? But in joint family,
you
everyone
have
will
less
support.
burden. In nuclear family, in joint family you have to give actual amount that your big brother or small brother giving in it.
What?
Same amount you have to invest in your joint family.
So what is the problem? If you have any problem, then they will also give you, no? But in nuclear family,
after sometimes they learn or they taunt you that I give you money.
Ma'am, it depends on your communication and your bonding, not depends on joint family. Got it?
Communication or bonding, that's why communication and bonding, that's why after some lots of time their brothers fight with each other for property and they get separately by each other.
Fight with property for what? For what? Because of miscommunication, not because of joint family.
No, they fight for property, not for miscommunication. If once I can complete my point, then you say. Okay. First, listen my point. In proper family, you said that bonding and communication. Okay. In this generation, they are bonding and communication. They can't see. They see the property. Why? Tell me. I am saying that if elder brother having one son or smaller brother having youngest brother having 2 sons or 3 sons, the elder brother wants to separate his property because he did not want to share his property with his youngest brother 2 or 3 sons.
Ma'am, listen. If they have truly love with each other, so they will never say that I need property. Listen, I need property, and you are saying like I wanna just don't take it serious, but I wanna go in personal. Like if you also have 2 to 3 brothers, and you know what about like that scheme, PM Modi's scheme. They also provided property with. Sisters also. So what do you think? Your father will be separate you, and your father will be like because of your brother they will separate.
They are not separate.
They will not separate. Now, ma'am,
First, listen my point.
why I listen? Because it depends on totally on your bonding. If you truly love, so you never think.
Then
to
why
this-
property? Then why they separate property? If I have bonding, every bond
So
have.
your bond is not truly. No, your bond is fake. That's why they want.
If in this generation today,
Okay.
bonding communication, you said property did not. Why everywhere in rural area, urban area, people are fighting for property. In most of the case, brother goes and fight in high court, or that case they're fighting for property. Why?
Do you have any data about the property?
Yes, most. Then why they built?
Show me data.
8 minutes.
Show me the data.
Listen.
Show me the data.
What? अभी ले चलें?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, she said, show me the data.
If they had take care, the take care will be same care the grandfather can do.
ये क्वेश्चन है can take care here same as father and mother.
As grandfather and grandmother can do.
पूरा क्वेश्चन इसी में है
Yes.
Parents hire caretaker. Okay, they firstly take interview or the experience of caretaker. They can't blindly believe on caretaker. Okay, first point. Second point, grandparent can take
Parents,
grandparents. Grandparents are from backward times, or their mindset is from backward times. Most of the grandparents having bad habits like smoking cigarettes, using bad habits, abusing in all languages, abusing in all words. How you can say that grandparents can treat more better than caretaker?
Okay. So you said that they take interview to the take cares, but some cases take care murder the children. They don't care the children. They abuse the child. Who can see? If there are no parents.
In rural
Ruler,
area,
I talk about take cares.
take care.
If the take
I
care
am
abuse
also-
the child, who can see?
What?
If there are no parents in home and take care abuse the child, beat the child, and doing some wrong thing about to the child, who can see?
Caretaker is not beating.
There are so many cases where you can see that the take care beat the child. They don't take food to a child. Then how can you say that the
Or grandparents did not beat the child, or
I don't talk about that. First I talk about take care. I talk about take care. I talk about take care.
Your question is also grandparent can take much better than caretaker. Your question first. You know your question, okay?
Yes. What is okay? But grandparents cannot beat the child. They don't abuse. How can you say that they abuse?
They abuse in a single word. They talking with each other. They are only abusing abusing words.
You show me some cases where grandparents abuse the child.
A video दिखाऊंगा फोन लो.
But here's many videos where take care beat the child.
Show me data. How many caretakers beat the child? Data having you have? Did you
Yes.
have? Show.
There are so many videos.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity. Today's topic is which family is better, nuclear family or ये क्या बोलते हैं, joint family. To my according, joint family is better because they helps each others, and they have a unity, and household works and responsibilities divide to each other. Yes, sir.
Responsibilities they divide.
And household works divide to each other.
You said that the responsibility and helping each other in a joint family.
Household works also.
Household work.
Yes.
And the conflict is in the sister-in-law is happening with the helping each other in household. What is the main reason why is the conflict is happening in sharing their work and helping each other? Why is it happening in joint family?
Yes. If you live in a nuclear family, and in your family I have two persons, and in your house lots of work, has lots of work. So
But in
two
nuclear
person,
family,
listen me. So two person, how can do this?
in nuclear family there is a two member. There
Yes,
you
yeah.
said that. So how the work is more?
No, if you are living in a village, so and you.
Why I am living in village? I am living in nuclear family, na. So I am talking about nuclear family. If you are living in nuclear family, what type of?
Yes, sir.
I why sir? So I am talking about nuclear family, na.
She is saying nuclear family, you are living in village.
Yeah.
Village area.
And
but
your
nu-
father is farmer, and you have many farms.
But in nuclear family there is only the 2 and 3 member, na.
Yeah.
Nuclear family is like that. Not it is if you are going in joint family, if you are going in village and there is a lots of member, that is called joint family, no? Not a nuclear family.
I talking about.
She is trying to say that
You said that if they all are helping each another, how they are helping each another if there are conflict each another for the property.
अगर उनके बीच में झगड़ा लगता है सब करेंगे
Sir, I said conflict is supporting to nuclear family. Happens support to nuclear family.
conflict also happen in nuclear
Yes,
family.
sir.
She said that conflict is also in nuclear family. It's not only joint family.
But not for the property, na. You said that if they are helping each another for the field, I said that they are helping each and other. If there is a conflict happening, so how they each and other support to their work? I said that. Answer
Sir, joint family has every person, and if they living, मतलब sir प्रेम से
They live
they live together and helps together. So how can in conflict?
You doesn't under-
kind of conflict. अच्छा,
it is happening, ma'am. It is lots of family it is happening. There was a many conflict happening and they separated. Why they are separated? If they are supporting each and other at any condition, so why they are separating in nuclear family? You said that they support each another, so why they are separating separating for the nuclear family?
So तब तो यही हुआ ना कि एक
Don't listen to this.
then if if in joint family conflict to each other, so how can we say it's joint family?
It is so that is the main problem, na. So why is the joint family is changing the nuclear family? It is happening. Why it is happening in joint family? You said that support each another, they support each another at every condition. So why conflict is happening? I said that.
So, Ms. Kanchan, you were talking about the responsibility, sharing responsibility, right? So, which kind of sharing responsibility is this when both of the sister-in-laws are fighting each other for the for few works, for little works, they are fighting, and you are saying this type of they are sharing the responsibility?
क्या बोलना था?
Yes, Kanchan. Which kind of responsibilities in their party?
Yes, sir. If in your family have two members and one person go outside or he works on his or her duty, and second person
Is at home.
is at home, and he or she also.
Now you are twisting your point. I am asking that you are telling about the sharing responsibility. What kind of sharing responsibility is
This
this?
is sharing responsibility.
Sir, listen to me. What kind of sharing responsibility is this if they're fighting in the few works? If the both sister-in-law, if the both persons are fighting in the few works, then which kind of sharing responsibility is this?
It's family problem and educated
It's family problem, that's
education
what I'm
problem.
saying.
In my family, I also live live in joint family.
I have also lived in joint family. That's why I'm sharing that they're fighting for the few things. Why you're clapping? What is the reason?
Sir, it's my opinion that it's your family education problem.
What?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, you're telling that it's my family education problem.
Yes.
So no matter if it is happening on the like because of the education, but the problem is it is occurring now. It is the fight is happening. If it is happening on the basis of like because of the education, then too it is happening. The problem is real. It is happening.
Sir.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Zeba, and firstly, thank you, Rashid sir, to giving me this opportunity. Firstly, I want to the topic is joint family and nuclear family. I proudly support nuclear family because of lots of reasons. First is less unnecessary interference. In joint family, there was a very unnecessary interference, and they are in student education and student work, because in joint family there was a lots of opinion of every person, and they burden on a small student that they can't handle this burden. Thank you.
You have raised the point of the interference and the independence, like that.
No, I'm not.
Only interference.
Interference.
Yeah.
Unnecessary interference.
There are a lot of Gen Z generations nowadays play games, and they are addicted to the phones and television, and if their grandparents and siblings are available, if they are available at homes, so they can play physically, not on the mobile phone, and
I'm
the child
talking-
abuse and the child porn rate is also at a high rate. So what in the nuclear family, because you are saying that the interference problem.
I'm talking
yeah.
about unnecessary interference. It is happening in joint family. You are saying the Gen Z problem, not
I am saying the interference
unnecessary
problem. I
interference.
am talking about the interference problem.
It is not interference, right?
If
I am saying that in a joint family, there is a lots of member
Yeah.
that give a unnecessary interference if a student is study. I said that thing. I'm
so
not
the
saying.
student can study, and but my question to you is that if a person if grandparents did not see the child, so how can you defend the point that if the child play games, if the parents are working, and if the parents are working, and
You are not understanding my point. I'm talking about unnecessary interference if a student is study in a joint family. There is a lots of member that come and said that this thing. I'm talking about this thing. You're talking
Yeah.
a different thing.
yeah I the interference problem, the student can prefer library as a temporary solution.
Why?
And if you are saying in the nuclear family, your brothers are also your real brother is also available, so he can also disturb you while studying. And if not, so if you are if there is no one to see you can also get distracted.
Distraction is the other part. I'm not talking about distraction.
So distraction.
I'm unnecessary interference. That is happening in joint family, not in nuclear family.
So
I
the small
said that.
small brother.
You are
changing your topic, your question again and again. I am again and again telling you unnecessary interference. I am not
So
telling you.
unnecessary interference can also happen in the nuclear family.
How it is happening? How is it happening?
Because your elder brothers can do that.
How times if elder brother, how many times they are interrupting you? In a joint family, there is a lots of members. Grandmother, grandfather, uncle, auntie, they all are interrupted. I said that.
Suppose you are seeing the interference problem. I did not recognize the interference problem as a major problem because they can also
It is a
support.
major
They
problem.
can also
It
support
is a
you.
major
They can also
problem.
support- while you are studying, they can give you food. They can provide a
I'm
comfort.
talking
They
about
can,
unnecessary interference, not of taking care of the children. My point is unnecessary interference.
Ma'am, you're talking about burden.
Yeah.
Which type of burden in joint
I'm
family?
talking about the lots of opinion are telling about the lots of members. This type of a student is facing lots of burden in their face. If they are, if a student want to select their stream at their opinion, at the student will want to select the stream arts, but in a family member that doesn't want. In a joint family, all the members, uncle, auntie, and every members have a different opinion and said that a different thing. A student can't recognize their career, and a student is their career is demolished. Their career is destroyed for their family opinion. I said this type of burden student is facing. I said that clear. If a student is choosing a stream, and many of family member in joint family, uncle, auntie, grandmother, grandfather, and many family members are living in joint family. A student want select the stream arts, but the many of family member doesn't want to allowed to choose the stream because they impose their opinion, but they doesn't listen the student opinion. So the student feel too much burden for the listening the too much opinion. I said that.
Okay. Before some times, there is one boy who, in family, there is only her father and boy and her sister. Father wants to make her son a doctor, but he doesn't want to become a doctor.
But it is easy not to convince the
because
father.
of her father pressure, he kill her. He kill her father.
Oh, literally, but it is happening in. I said that is lots of
This is about nuclear family, not about
but
joint
it is
family.
happening in joint family lots now. Because there is a lot.
This
I
is
said
not
that.
about family's
I said-
mentality. This is about people's mentality.
It's happened in joint family more. I said that.
With the mutual understanding, with your good communication, you can solve any
But
problem.
it is not happening in joint family. That's why I'm taking there are lots of opinions said that the different member and the student is hearing the lots of opinion, but the student it doesn't recognize that the opinion that they want to choose. The members are pressure the student to choose this. I said that the many members in joint family that are pressure, but if you talking about nuclear family, you if you doesn't want this team, you can convince your father and mother easily as compared to joint family. As I
If in joint family, if father and mother are supporting their child, if they are agree that my son
if
and
father
my
and mother
daughter,
disagree, his mother and her father. His father is if father a grandmother and a father is living in father a children father is अब उसके father भी मतलब उनके पापा के father भी is a father is disagree the grandfather opinion. It is happening. It is not happening. If a father is disagree their father opinion, that is not happening at the joint family because the main opinion is main decision is happening taken by the grandfather. So that's why I'm taking about.
father कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
Yes.
But I think in this era, many grandfather and mother are not educated so much, so they can't वो interfere नहीं करते. They don't interfere.
But in joint family, that is happening.
They say that he is your child. You can take her decision better than me.
No, that is not happening. But I am talking about a joint family. Now, in the joint family, more of them are the grandfather rule is happening. I said that. So what
Most
you
of the
can?
cases, most of the family, that the decisions are taken by the grandfather.
Okay, maybe this decision in favor of that child.
No, that is not happening. No, so I said that the student is feel burdened. So if the favor of it is a favor of a student education. So hello everyone, I am Saivam and I am from Lucknow. Thank you Rashid sir for giving this opportunity to speak here. And today there is a topic between joint family and nuclear family. I am truly supporting joint nuclear family because there is a lots of reason. I am supporting nuclear family because there is a peaceful environment in in nuclear family. A student can study in peaceful environment, and there is no conflict between there is no much conflict between nuclear family than joint family. That's why I'm supporting nuclear family.
You said that in joint family there will be lots of conflict. That's why student and another person they cannot do work properly. In nuclear family there will be no conflict.
I'm not saying that there is no conflict in nuclear family. I'm saying that there is like if there is in joint family, like example I'm taking. There is listen my point then answer. Listen my point then answer you. Listen to me, okay ma'am. Listen to me.
Listen to me. Okay, you said that joint family, no? Joint family it happens conflict and they cannot study properly. In nuclear family, it doesn't happen. Like if your parents, like they are working, and your parent listen. Firstly, listen. Your father is drinker, and they are fighting with each other. So there will be no.
This also happen in joint family. It is a problem of family matter. It is not problem. This is problem of family. This is not problem of nuclear family.
So that's why I'm saying that this is not the problem.
This also happen in joint family, ma'am. This also happen in joint family.
This is the problem of situation and mentality.
So this is also happen in joint family, na? What I'm saying, this also happen. How can you say this only happen in nuclear family? In joint family, this happen much.
It happens lots of time in nuclear family because there will be no one for supporting you. There will be no one for caring you.
This happen much in joint family, not in nuclear family as much.
Family, every person will support you.
They don't support. They are always jealous of their sexes. How can you say that there is?
Because in nuclear family,
I see that there is no bonding between joint family. There's only conflict between joint family. I experienced that. That's why I am saying.
You have experienced
Yes, I have. We separate in nuclear family because of lots of the sister-in-law fighting to my mother. Sister-in-laws.
I think you are behind of time. So live in this era.
What? Which type of time you are saying? This is not. This is matter of family. This also happened in this era. This also happened in this era.
You are saying in
This happened in many homes, not only in the.
behind of the time. So live in this era. Don't behind of
This
the
also
time.
happened in this era. Go and see.
So definitely.
I'm 14 years. I'm not behind the time. I experienced this.
You
It
said
is
that
for-
sister-in-law is fighting with each other.
They always provoke each other for fighting, ma'am. They always provoke each other for fighting.
No, there will be love if you will love.
There is no love between joint family. I experienced this, ma'am. I experienced this. There is no love. There is no love.
Very nice. Chaliye. Himanshu, share your opinion.